and today we're going to make some hummus. So hummus is one of those wonderful things that you can use as an hors d'oeuvre or on a sandwich. I love to dip carrots in it, and it's filling and it's full of garbanzo beans, so it really does fill you up. Hummus is usually made just from these core ingredients: olive oil, tahini, which is ground sesame seeds, chickpeas or garbanzo beans, cumin, lemon, and garlic. So I'm going to make this in our blender, and I'll show you how to do that.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more videos. Thanks.
Here we have our mise en place ready, and if you notice the chickpeas after washing them and draining them, there is sometimes this skin on the outside of it. Now, I have worked before with some people who prefer that to be taken off, so at the restaurant we used to hand take that off, or somebody who's a purist about his hummus, but I don't mind. So it is up to you. If you want to do that, you can certainly sit here and remove that membrane from your chickpea, or you can just add it all in. I prefer to add everything, not waste anything. Also, you know, everybody has a life, kids, you want to get stuff done quickly. So just dump them in. Here's our 1 clove of garlic, already smashed and chopped up a little bit. I'm adding in our 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of our salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and our 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just going to pulse this in here, and we're going to add a little bit of water. If I want a chunky one, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons. If I want a really smooth one, I'll add 4 tablespoons of water. Make sure when you're adding in your tahini, I'm adding the 1 tablespoon of tahini, make sure that you just shake the bottle up, because sometimes it's separated and at the top you'll just have an oil. Make sure it's stirred together and then measure your 1 tablespoon. So this was mixing for a little bit. I added 1 tablespoon of water, but you see how the cumin hasn't really mixed in, so make sure you take your spatula and scrape it down and stir stuff up. I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of water and pulse it. All right, so you can see the consistency with 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna add the 3rd, show it to you, and then I'll also add the 4th so you can see how creamy you can get it. There we go, that's 3 tablespoons, and I'll add the 4th, and you can see if you like it really smooth, that's what you can do to make it as smooth as you like. Here we go, now it's really nice and smooth, and that was 4 tablespoons of water. And I can make this in the blender or in a food processor. Here's our finished hummus, and I'm going to garnish it. I'm going to just drizzle a little more olive oil around the edge of it, and I'm also going to put on garnish. These are our sun-dried tomatoes that we made, so you can watch my earlier video on how to make our sun-dried tomatoes. And I just chop those up, and we're just going to garnish the top right here. Looks beautiful, and voila, there is our beautiful hummus garnished with sun-dried tomatoes. So I hope you enjoy this, and we'll try it out. Take care, everybody. Bye.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.